Hi everyone, my name is Jenna Medke. I am currently a fourth grade teacher in Manitowoc, Wisconsin at one of our six elementary schools. Next year I will be going back into fifth grade, so this will be just my first year. I'm going to go down and I'm looping back up with my kids. A little bit about me, born and raised in Manitowoc, so it's kind of cool to come back and be able to give back to that community that I had a chance of being part of and going through the school district. Besides teaching, I also coach up at the high school, middle school, and our elementary school. So kind of a full-time thing happening, but I love it. We were actually just super successful, and we took runner-up of the Division One state spring alternate season. So super excited to get started back in the fall. I am currently in my, gotta do some math, third semester as at UW Superior, so I will finish in fall of 2021, which is getting here pretty quick. I'm super excited for this class to get started and learn some more about law. What I've heard from my principal is that this was her favorite class, so I'm super excited for that. Other than teaching and coaching, now that it's getting a little nicer out, you can find me outside kayaking and hiking and fishing and all of those fun things that I'm super excited for in summer. I can't wait to meet everyone else.